Sister Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here is last week's spread in my Archer and Olive planner that I use for work, and I was able to use according to Allie's gorgeous watercolor florals and her alcohol ink stickers along with her washi. And then flipping to this week, so the week of July 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, so to August 1st, I will be using, I really want to make use of my stash that I still have, so I'm going into Dream Seeker from the Happy Planner. I love this sticker book. I have two. I'm going to be so sad when this is done, but I do really want to make sure that I'm using all of my stash. Let's get started. So the first thing that I've done is actually put white out over the days of the week because I want to try out these days of the week stickers that I had printed, and I want to see if they're any good. Like, these are my first tested, first printed sheet of my hand letter stickers, so I want to see if they're okay, if there's anything I need to adjust, and I'm sure there will be. But anyway, what I want to do with the Dream Seeker sticker book, but also use these, is see what I can do in terms of writing down the dates. So I think, and I saw Helen of Coffee Monsters Co. do this, where she just drew a big circle and then put the days of the week in it, and like wrote the date in it. So I think I'm gonna do that, and the circles don't have to be perfect, and I'm wondering this purple will still be good, and I'll still be able to see, can still put the date in it, but I want to be able to rotate between the three colors, like this blue, and just to test things out and see if it'll work. And then putting down these days of the week. I'm really excited. This is the first time I'll be using my own stickers in a spread, so let's see how that looks. Cute. I'm going to zoom in here so you can see how tiny these stickers are. And actually, like, my experience with the silhouette hasn't been too bad. That sticker did not cut as well as I'd like. So yeah, I really have to work on the cut lines and stuff. But otherwise, I think these are turning out really cute. Oh my goodness. I'm so excited about this. And then Friday, and I won't need Saturday and Sunday or the weekend because I don't use this planner on the weekends, but oh my goodness, how cute is that? And then I'm going to take my Uniball micro and just write in the days. So it's July 26th. How cute is that? Absolutely love that. So now I'm trying to think of the best thing to do here, because this has an appointment, reflect, mark it, so not really what I need. What I'm first going to do is start writing in meetings and then I'll go ahead and start decorating. Alright, so now I can go in and start decorating, and what I love about this sticker book are just the gorgeous florals, and like, I have two, but this one I've used so much of, and there's not a lot left in it. So, oh, there's these washi and that washi, which I will definitely make use of. But I do want to make the most of this sticker book because it has been one of my favorite books. It's one of my most well-used sticker books, actually. So let's, I don't want to go too crazy as well on the decoration. I want to still keep it in line with me. So where's that washi? Okay. So I'm going to take some of this washi rip some of that and put some here. And I'm going to take some, put some down here, and place some of this up here. Then which washi do I want to use next? I mean, I could use the gray from According to Ali, or I could use the grid. I'm gonna try the grid and possibly cut it down because I feel like it's too big. Let's cut that down. Yeah, I love the grid washi. One of my favorites. It's so simple, but there's something about it that I really, really love. I'm also tempted, because I have this from, I forget where I got it from. I think somebody sent this to me. It's a Simply Gilded, but I just got a sample of it. And I think adding a little bit of bow, oh yes. Don't know why, but I love it. Like that. Cute, cute. Okay, so then I'm going to actually go into the newer sticker book and take some of this awesome decoration that's in here. Like, these florals are just amazing. So what is the best way to put these in here? I wonder if I just put it right here in the middle. Yep. And then if there were smaller ones, or ones that I could cut in half, like actually I don't know. Let's see here. Oh, let's turn that down. Okay, so I'm thinking, no, I don't want to use the feathers necessarily. No, I don't know where that goes. I want to maybe cut down this one and cut it in half so that I could have half here and then the other half on another part of the spread. So put this here. Oops. And then this. Go up here. Yeah, why not? I'm totally making a big mess with the layering, but actually I do not mind that at all. I enjoy that little bit of layering. It makes a huge difference. And even a little grid here. Gorgeous. I almost want to just keep it like that, because I feel like if I add anything more, it's going to be too much. But then let's add, let me say that. I need a quote. That's what I need. I need a quote. Oh, I loved this one, but yeah. Oh, nope, that one I want. I know exactly which one I want. This one. You have to take care of you first. That Wild Hearts Can't Be Broken is actually a good one. And I will place that here. I feel like this in the back of it. Turn that around and then put this down. Okay, oh my god, I love that. I love that. And maybe just a tiny little one here with, let's see. Yeah, there's this tiny piece of washi that I could just place here with Ooh, maybe another quote. I don't know. Okay, what other quotes do I have in here that I could use? I'm still trying to use up as much of the first sticker book as I can. But I don't think... I may not be able to. So let's just put that down there. There's a little bit of this. And then I feel like that's gonna bother me that it didn't go down straight. And then I'm sure that I can find a small, tiny quote that I can probably put on top of that, or a small circle or something. There we go. Like this, you rock, girl. Oh, okay, I'm done. I am done. This is gonna be so great for work. So if you guys aren't familiar with how I use this, I put all of my meetings up here, my tasks here, and then I use the notes section and Saturday and Sunday for notes, and it works out really, really well for me. I love this. The colors are really out there. They don't necessarily match exactly. I might have to adjust that in my next spread, but I do love the overall look. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.